Alright guys, welcome back to another day not in the Freedom and Company garage. Today we are out actually at Butcher Jones. We are taking the RZR out, so we are getting ready to get this thing offloaded. We're taking a break from working on this crazy ground project and everything is coming along well there, so we just needed a little break. So we're coming out here, we're about to get this thing offloaded and rip around some trails. So we're going to bring you guys along, that way you can see what we do in some of our free time when we're not working on stuff. So guys, this is a 2015 Polaris RZR 1000 XP. It is the 4-seater, of course. No other way to do it there. We are in sunny Arizona, out at Butcher Jones, right by Saguaro Lake. It is December, the middle of December, and it is amazing. 50 degrees outside. This is exactly why we moved here. It is fantastic. So, just kind of our setup here. So we normally just take the RZR, load it on the trailer real quick. We've got a couple trailers, so nice and convenient just to load it on there, and then we tow it out here. We could drive this, it is street legal, so we could drive it all the way out here, but we just put brand new tires on this thing and we want to save these for these awesome trails. So we are just going to get it offloaded here, but just want to do a recap of what we were running with. So we've just been working on this thing quite a bit. We're getting all new tires on it just yesterday actually, and then on the inside here Michael has done some awesome work with everything in here. So custom seats, steering wheel, we've got a full comm system, full radio system, Bluetooth stereo system, all this stuff in here. So super cool setup, and yeah, we're just gonna go have some fun and show you guys around amazing Arizona. Alright guys, so we are out here now. Excuse the wind noise, it is loud. We are ripping down some of these trails. So this is what we normally do, and our plan is generally not to have a plan. We just go out and have a good time and see where we can get lost, and hope that our GPS and